When I was a fire watch and a helper, I'd watch what the guys were doing, and I'd try and, why is he doing that? Why did he do that step before that step? And, make sense of it. I would ask these guys, hey, show me what you're doing. Let me try it. That was my entry into steel fabrication. Once I got in the shop, and I mean, it's like building models when you were a kid and built car models. That was, I dug that. I dug building things.
I am a part of something bigger than me. We work on a lot of various jobs. We're very diverse, building bridges, working for Navy, working for the nuclear, for the aerospace. I have pride in that. It's not just me building something, it's a bigger picture out there. And so when I would start making something, I wanted to know more than just, hey, I got to hit this dimension. How is this dimension going to affect the bigger picture? And I never was satisfied with just, this is the way it is. I wanted to understand why and how. And that helped me out. It made me more curious. It made me more valuable in the company. If I start a task, I want to see it through all the way. And I care what the results are. And when it comes to machining, that's my home. That's what I do.
The passion for building things out of metal and be able to do it with your own hands and do it to where it's a quality product afterwards. Like on our positioner over here, the large part weldment that we have, it's a Boeing stacker crane platform, and it has many parts, many feet of weld, and taking all these parts, and then in the end there'll be 1,200 welds when it's all done, and to make that thing turn out to where it's a functional product is exciting to me, definitely.
The people are the ones that make everything work. Machine parts, welding machines put metal together, they weld it together, but it's the humans that produce the part, that see it from beginning to end, and the interaction between the people is vital, because if I don't care about the next process, about the people that are going to work on it next, I won't be looking for any scenarios where I go, hey, if I do this, I'll be good, but the next guy's going to suffer. So I strongly depend on fabricators, prefab, to produce something that I can actually work with and succeed with, and vice versa for me. When we're machining parts, and we know they're weld preps, we always want to know how is it going to be used. This way, if there's anything I can do to make their life easier, and not just easier, but give them a higher chance of succeeding, we need to do that, and we try our best to do that. It's a team effort.
Everything that we do, we try to improve it or make it better, at least, than when we got there. Not just repair it, but look for ways to improve it. Everyone in the department has that passion for perfection or improvement, and that's what we strive for. Is that when we go in, we take care of business, and we come out of there and it's better than it was before, and maintaining things to the highest level. Everyone has needs. No one's needs are greater than the next. From a person that's working in the shop that doesn't have a piece of equipment that's working correctly, to an office person with a desk that doesn't have a drawer that works right. That affects their day, that affects their production output. It's my job to correct that problem. Internally, we acknowledge the fact that we have come across something that we've done well at, and when we've left the situation, it's made the company a better place.